Maraming buyers na natatalo sa real estate hindi dahil wala silang pera, kundi dahil mali ang timing na hinihintay nila. Maghihintay ba ako ng perfect timing o magsisimula na ako ngayon? Ito yung biggest dilemma ng buyers, timing the market versus time in the market. Timing the market means naghihintay ka ng perfect moment, lower prices, lower interest rates, better promos, ideal conditions. Pero ang totoo, walang nakakapredict ng market perfectly. Habang naghihintay ka na mas mababang presyo, pwedeng tumaas ang property value, magbago ang market, lumaki ang market cost. Time in the market means papasok ka when you are financially ready. Then, hayaan mo mag-grow ang property over time. Kasi sa real estate, wealth is built through time, not timing. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa perfect timing. Mas mahalaga, preparation, strategy, long-term mindset. Whether OFW, first-time buyers, or investor, the question is simple. Ano ang mas importante sa'yo? Timing the market or time in the market? Comment down below, then let's talk.